Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you, depending on where you are watching from. I'm here to bring you updates about Nnamdi Kanu's appearance in court today, being 27th April 2023. The federal government filed 9 new grounds against his release. That is to say, they are providing 9 new reasons why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, must not be released. And the judge granted them leave to include these 9 new grounds, reasons, to include them with the one they appealed on 28 October 2022. Michael Zekome was asked to withdraw his motion seeking for bail of his client Nnamdi Kanu and transferring him to Kuje Correctional Facility where he might get proper medical attention. DSS facility is boring. He's not getting the right medical care there. But such motion was put aside. The Federal Government Council, who had just taken over the matter, prayed for adjournment so he can file a counter affidavit to that. The court fixed for May 11 for hearing on the pending motion and the main appeal. Now, if you're new to this particular case about Nnamdi Kanu, if this is the first time you're hearing about it, well, due to breach of international protocol, Appeal Court of Nigeria discharged and acquitted Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, saying the manner of which he was renditioned into Nigeria was against international laws. So they quitted the case, they discharged him, but the federal government still kept him in custody of the DSS. And that also reminds us of how Buhari tried to smuggle Umaru Dikko with a crate from UK to Nigeria, but it was unsuccessful. Meanwhile, as it is common with the Nigerian system or the Nigerian courts, about 10 courts can give judgment on a particular matter. Different judgments. The federal government, the Malami controlled government, Malami inspired government did what it did, and certain judges of that appeal court who did not rule in favor of the government were withdrawn, and the ones that are dancing to their tune were placed, and they reversed the earlier decision. And that was what happened, and they ordered for a stay of execution of the earlier judgment, pending the hearing and determination of the appeal of the Supreme Court. That was how it went until today again that they appeared. But you need to watch this video and see what Ozekome and co were saying.
Argue for a stay of execution. And the Court of Appeal granted that stay of execution. So the court was staying the execution of the liberty of the citizen, which the same court had already told to go free. So we filed an appeal against that order for stay of execution and also cross-appeal against their main appeal. These things have been going on since October. What will the federal government, what do they normally do? They will file documents at the Supreme Court here. They will undertake to serve us, the respondent. They will hide the document. They will not serve us. They did that in November last year. It was when we went to the court in January this year to try to facilitate the hearing of the appeal that we discovered that they had filed a motion for extension of time since November last year, which is suppressed.
Oh, you were not served the motion that was filed for the extension of time?
We were not.
So
we were never.
Was that responsible for the delay in the...
Can you imagine?
Yes. Everything
they don't
has all the delays, both at the Federal
team.
High Court, the Court of Appeal, and the Supreme Court have always
Nigeria.
been actuated and activated and prepared. And
they file suit, they don't serve the defense team because it's a case of You have the knife and you have the yam. They have been doing certain things that are not known to the defense team. That is what you see in a country where the executive dictates for the judiciary. That is what happens. So sad. What a country. Everything goes. And from all indications, the federal government of Nigeria is clueless. And their legal team, they are clueless. They don't even know what to do again. Than to just keep Nnamdi Kanu in detention. Permit me to also say they are confused. Yes. And extending Nnamdi Kanu's case, more judges. Anyway, they have been making adjustment. They will certainly find judges that will rule in their favor. That is it. What do you think? They are shamelessly keeping him. Yes, the manner at which he was renditioned in Nigeria was what was hampering the trial. And rather than leave him, they will make changes and get the judges that will give judgment in their favor. Meanwhile, what I know is that, and I want everybody to note, next month, May, just about a month from now, today is 27th, they went to court today. By 29th of next month, Buhari is off. Yes, he has finished his second term by then. We'll see what will happen. It was his intention to keep Nnamdi Kanu till the end of his tenure, like it was alleged. And, people accuse him of planning to do that. He has succeeded. But that is as far as he can go. Viewers, what do you think? Add your comment on the comment section. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram for more updates. Bye-bye for now.